members each from Telugu Desam Party TDP and Janata Dal United or GDU and 1 each from 8 other National Democratic Alliance NDA constituents will be sworn in as ministers in India's new government on Sunday, 5 days after the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP fell short of the halfway mark of 270 seats in the 5 for 3-member Lok Sabha for the first time since 2014.
माननीय राष्ट्रपति महोदया, आपकी अनुमति हो तो समारोह प्रारंभ किया जाए। मंत्री श्री नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी।
मैं नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा। मैं भारत की प्रभुता और अखंडता अक्षुण्ण रखूंगा। मैं संघ के प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में अपने कर्तव्यों का श्रद्धापूर्वक और शुद्ध अंतःकरण से निर्वहन करूंगा तथा मैं भय या पक्षपात, अनुराग या द्वेष के बिना सभी प्रकार के लोगों के प्रति संविधान और विधि के अनुसार न्याय करूंगा। मैं नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि जो विषय संघ के प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में मेरे विचार के लिए लाया जाएगा अथवा मुझे ज्ञात होगा, उसे किसी व्यक्ति या व्यक्तियों को तब के सिवाय जबकि प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में अपने कर्तव्यों के सम्यक निर्वहन के लिए ऐसा करना अपेक्षित हो, मैं प्रत्यक्ष अथवा अप्रत्यक्ष रूप से संसूचित या प्रकट नहीं करूंगा।
TDP with 16 parliamentarians and GDU with 12 emerge as the second and third biggest NDA constituents. Hours before the swearing-in ceremony, TDP leader Jayadev Gala announced Ram Mohan Naidu, 36, and Chandrasekhar Pemasani, 48, would be inducted as ministers in the Union Council of Ministers. Gala, a former lawmaker, congratulated Pemasani, a doctor-turned-politician from Guntur, and Ram Mohan Naidu, a 3-term lawmaker and an engineer by training. Such an honor to serve the nation at the central level during your Pemasani very first political stint. The people of Guntur and entire AP Andhra Pradesh are proud of you. All the best for your new role. May you bring positive changes and make a meaningful impact. Minister of State Gala posted on X, "Congratulations to my young friend Ramikram Mohan Naidu on being confirmed as a cabinet minister in the new #NDA government. Your sincerity and humble nature will surely be an asset to the development of the country. Wishing you all the best in your new role." The lawmakers set to take oath as ministers later in the day were invited to the Prime Minister's residence for tea at 11 a.m. They include Lalan Singh and Ram Nathekar of GDU, Pratap Rao Jadhav Shiv Sena Jayant Chaudhary of Rashtriya Lok Dal Rel, Jan Shakti Party Ram Vilas or LGPRVE's Chirag Paswan. HD Kumaraswamy of Janata Dal Secular or GDS, Aju Party's Chandra Prakash Chaudhary, Ramdas Athawale of Republican Party of India A, Anupriya Patel of Apna Dal Sanalal, and Jaitan Ram Manji of Hindustani Awam Morcha. Born in 1960, Jadhav has been re-elected from Maharashtra Buldana. He has been a three-time member of the Maharashtra Assembly 1995-2009. Jadhav was first elected to Lok Sabha in 2009. He retained the seat in 2014 and 2019. He has served as the chairperson of the Standing Committees on Rural Development and Panchayati Raj and Communications and Information Technology. Two of the allies Manji, 79, and Kumaraswamy, 64, being sworn in are former chief ministers of Bihar and Karnataka, respectively. In a post on X, Manji said, "I will be attending the program organized at the residence of Honorable Prime Minister at Narendra Modi ji today at noon. This is good news for the people of Gaya and Bihar. Hail Magadha, hail Bihar." Rajiv Ranjan Singh alias Lalan Singh, 69, who was the national president of GDU until December 2023, and his party colleague, Ram Nathekar, a former Bihar minister and a member of Rajya Sabha, will be two other ministers from Bihar to be sworn in. Jayant Chaudhary, 45, who is also a member of the Rajya Sabha, Chirag Paswan, 41, and Chandra Prakash Chaudhary, 56, are being inducted into the Union Council of Ministers for the first time. Athawale, 64, and Anupriya Patel, 43, were ministers in the previous NDA governments as well.